weather.
Oh, it was a backyard barbecue today in Moorhead, and well, this show went on even without meteorologist Hutch Johnson in attendance, so a little less steak in my diet tonight. It looks like they had a great time. Greg Faust was our winner. Thanks to the guys at Cashwise for covering for good old Hutch Johnson. I was watching some storms.
You were watching some storms.
Definitely. Yeah, we had
steady diet.
Yeah, steady diet of storms tonight. Not everybody saw them, but there were a few out there. So if they were bad, we let you know about it. Here is a look at some beautiful photographs that folks sent in of these storms. This was near Grafton. Thanks, Laurel, for capturing this supercell with a lot of heavy rain as it worked its way basically south out of Walsh County. Here's a funnel cloud and wall cloud that was spotted numerous times 7 miles southwest of Findlay. Also a helicopter pilot reporting funnel clouds with that particular cell. Here's another look at that same system. Thanks so much, Haley, for sharing that. And a thin funnel captured, very difficult to see, but right here, long and skinny, just a little rope-shaped funnel cloud that did not make contact with the ground in portions of northeast Stutsman County. Look at the gorgeous sunset we enjoyed, tucking behind the clouds, and wait for it. Oh, goodbye, sun. It's been a beautiful day across the valley. Temperatures on the up and up. 65 degrees right now after a nice morning sprinkle in the FM area, bringing about 1/10 of an inch for many locations. Not a lot of rain, but certainly we'll take it after several days of dry weather. 65 for Grand Forks. Wind very light out of the east-southeast this evening. A lot of upper 50s from Langdon to low 60s through much of eastern North Dakota. 64 still in Devils Lake and Oaks. Out in Lakes Country, it's been a cool day with those showers that were in Fargo in the morning, moving off to the east. 55 right now for Babe the Blue Ox in Bemidji. We do have a few thunderstorms north of the border right now, moving in on Roseau County and the Big Lake, Lake of the Woods, some thunder and lightning there. Nothing severe here, but you may get some wind gusts, and these are slow movers like the other ones, so some heavy rain from these cells. If they do indeed hold together, by the time they get down to Highway 11 between War Road and Roseau, you may get a soaking shower. Your hour-by-hour forecast shows these storms really dissipating as we go through the overnight. Temperatures in the 50s for most of us, maybe briefly in the upper 40s in a couple of spots in northwest Minnesota. Hazy skies tonight up in the northern valley, and as we go through our day with a light wind from the north, we'll see that slide throughout the valley. A chance for some smoke and haze with temperatures already at midday in the 70s. Your lunch hour stroll will be comfortable with light wind. In the afternoon, the temperatures start becoming more summer-like with a lot of upper 70s, and Lakes Country will hit the 80s in the eastern third of North Dakota. Winds from the, west-southwest at 5 to 15 miles per hour. The haze will slide its way through the region as we go through the day. Maybe even strong enough and thick enough for a whiff of smoke here at the surface. Not that we want that. Your morning starts quiet in Fargo, 57 degrees. By midday, 68 degrees. And it looks like it's going to be a possibly smoky, smelly day for at least a portion of it. Not all day. Summer feeling evening with temperatures in the mid-80s. Here's a look across the region. Your 3 o'clock forecast on your way home from work in the Devils Lake area will be near 80, 78 for Grand Forks. We could see some mid-80s in places like Ellendale and Lisbon, and upper 70s the rule across western Minnesota as we go through the afternoon. Here was a snapshot of today's air quality. Very poor in the oil patch of North Dakota. That slides along the international border and into the valley tomorrow. Although it will not linger long, we could have that smoky smell with us. Now, stay tuned for more on the smoke, but the 7-day forecast looks like this. I think we're going to be more hazy than smoky over the next several days. Thanks, Tracy, for your photograph there of the setting sun behind the clouds. 87 hot degrees on Friday. Hazy through the weekend, you guys, with temperatures near 90. Next week, after a cool front passes through Sunday night with a chance of storms and into Monday morning, I think the smoke returns, the thick, yucky smoke that we've been contending with. This stuff has made it as far south as Denver, Colorado, and in Missouri, and even Memphis, Tennessee. So I think we'll be hearing more about this for the remainder of summer.
Wow. Okay. Thanks, Hutch.
You bet.
Coming up later on Valley News Live 10 at 10, who needs money when a restaurant's willing to give you free food?
And up next, finding the right snacks for your kids. Which foods are the best fuel for their on-the-go bodies?